Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
So let's start the class. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. I'm going to start with Debangshu. Yeah? Are you ready? Yes? Let's start. So I will be saying some lines in Bangla. Okay? You will give me the English version of the line. Bangla থেকে English translate করব. Ready? চলো আমি বাংলা বলবো তুমি ইংলিশ। এখানে এসো।
Come here.
বসো।
Sit.
এখানে বসো।
Sit here.
Yes, you can also say sit over here. Okay? And তোমার দিনটা কেমন ছিল?
How was your day?
Yes. তুমি কি টিফিন খেয়েছো?
Have you eaten your tiffin?
তুমি কি হোমওয়ার্ক করেছো?
Have you done your homework?
টিচার কি তোমার হোমওয়ার্ক চেক করেছে?
Has teacher checked your homework?
Yes. Has the teacher checked your homework? Correct. তোমার কি এখন খিদে পাচ্ছে?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, you can say are you hungry now? Yeah. ঠিক আছে, এখন তুমি একটু খেয়ে নাও। So what can you say? Have some food now. All right, you can have some food now. Okay? আর তুমি ধরো বলছো আমি খেলতে চাই।
I want to play now.
আমি খেতে চাই না।
I don't want to eat.
ওকে, না তুমি একটু খেয়ে নাও তারপর তুমি খেলবে। Simple. Now you eat. Okay? As of now you eat first and then you will play. Right? Okay? Yeah, good job. Very good. Clap for him, please.